Welcome to CaseWare Quick Vids for GAAP Financials. This quick vid will provide an overview of the knowledge libraries as they are used in financials. Please note, only the administrators of the financials template will have access to this area. Let's begin by answering the question, what is the purpose of the knowledge libraries? The knowledge libraries are a very powerful central management system used to store all the statement and note content. A huge benefit for many is that the knowledge libraries come with a whole set of CaseWare created financial statement formats which are ready to use. Within the knowledge libraries, you will access and review this CaseWare content. That being said, our statements may not match your requirements, so also in the knowledge libraries, you can create firm custom content which will meet all your specific needs and requirements. Once in the knowledge library area, you will use Financial's simple interface and access its many tools to create this content. Why use the knowledge libraries? Well, to begin, the knowledge libraries let you create a standard set of firm-approved financial statements. Also, within the same knowledge libraries, you can create a unique firm look and style that you can call your own. Once the standard firm-approved content and look has been decided upon, you can provide this to all your users, be it 1 or 2 users or hundreds of users. Talk about leverage. Also, once the firm or administrator has created a format, it can and is used year after year. All the values and years automatically roll forward directly from the trial balances in working papers for each engagement. The only changes that need to be made to the content or formats are those changes that are new for the period, for example, new pronouncements. How is this all done? There are 4 important concepts you need to consider to effectively work in the knowledge libraries. They are 1. Decide on the entity types you support. 2. Review and select available content. 3. Adding new content formats and formatting. And 4. Selecting content to auto-generate by entity. But we will go into detail on these options shortly. When in the Knowledge Library section of the Firm Financial Options, listed are all the components that can be selected for review and customization. In each and every one of the components, we have an extensive set of CaseWare default content. For example, we have different cover page types to choose from, balance sheet formats, schedules, and also over 1,000 note examples. In short, we have provided you with a complete set of financial statements you can use as is or modify to meet the specific needs of your firm. The concepts for completing the knowledge libraries are the same for all the components, with the notes having an additional content management feature. You're able to have as many different format types per component as you would like. For example, you can have 10 industry-type balance sheets or 10 different subsidiary income statement formats, or any combination you want. This can all be done in the knowledge libraries. Once all your settings and formats are completed, the customized template can then be repackaged and deployed to your users to serve as the base template they will use. Your users will have full access to the firm customized content, which will lead to efficiencies in the preparation of financial statements. And by ensuring your knowledge libraries are customized once in the master file, your users can then leverage the use of this content in their individual files. Once again, there are 4 important concepts to consider when creating your knowledge libraries. 1 is to decide the entity types your firm supports. By setting up entity types, you can have alternate formats generate in the financial statements depending on the entity type selected for any particular engagement. Using the entity management feature, you are able to see the entity types supported in financials and turn off those formats not applicable to you. In step 4, you will see how the choices made in this step affect the generation of the financial statements. The second step is to review our CaseWare content and select the content you would like to make available to users. When you review the content, you will be deciding 1. Do you want to use the CaseWare content as is? 2. Do you want the content to be available to users? And 3. Should the content be modified? If you want to keep the CaseWare content, you will make no further changes. If you don't ever want to show content, simply turn it off. You may, however, decide that the CaseWare content is there, but changes need to be made, or you may decide that no, CaseWare does not have what I need. In either case, you will complete step 3. In step 3, based on your needs and the review of the CaseWare content, you can create your own unique firm content right in each applicable knowledge library component. Your firm customized formats are based on existing CaseWare or firm content. These customizations will then be saved in the knowledge library to be used year after year by you and your users. 4. You will set the content you would like to auto-generate by entity type. This step will predetermine which statement formats are produced for each entity based on their entity type. In other words, each format available, CaseWare or firm, in each component can be individually selected to generate in the financial statements based on the entity type of any particular engagement. The entities available here correspond to those entities selected as available in the Entity Management feature shown in Step 1. That completes the underlying concepts needed to work in the knowledge libraries. For a more detailed demonstration of these 4 steps, see the quick vids Creating Alternative Formats for Statements and Creating Alternative Formats for Notes. Thank you for watching CaseWare Quick Vids.